As the forensics investigator moves to scene of crime to manage and safeguard all possible digital evidences, the investigation will be easier with an all-in-one forensic toolkit. C-DAC Trivandrum introduces True Traveler Kit for empowering first responders to collect evidences from widest range of digital sources and field. True Traveler is a portable forensic kit and is a complete solution for performing digital forensic sieves, acquisition and analysis. Highlights: unique portable forensic field kit that includes tools for forensic analysis of wide range of digital data. Easily portable kit using trolley support. Built-in disk imaging hardware tool with battery backup support. Tableau IDE or SATA and USB write blockers for quick disk preview. Built-in True Imager unit for imaging disks with interfaces IDE, SATA, USB, Mini SATA, Micro SATA and memory cards. Product features: laptop installed with C-DAC digital forensic software tools, disk image analysis using CyberCheck Suite and Advik for CDR analysis, mobile check suite for imaging and analyzing mobile phones, SIM card reader and SIM extractor software for SIM cards forensic imaging and acquisition, includes WinLift software for live forensics and NetForce suite for network forensics, portable printer, scanner, camera, screwdriver set and torch for supporting activities. For more details, contact Cyber Security Group, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, www.cyberforensics.in.